All right, team, did you know that just 30 minutes of moderate exercise a day can significantly reduce your risk of chronic diseases? That's right, just half an hour. It's about making fitness a non-negotiable part of your routine, like brushing your teeth or having that first cup of coffee in the morning. We're talking about building a solid daily fitness commitment, people. It's the secret sauce to unlocking a healthier, happier, and more energized you. Think of it this way. Every time you move your body, you're making a deposit into your health bank account. Over time, those deposits add up, leading to some serious compound interest in the form of improved cardiovascular health, better mood, increased energy levels, and a rock-solid immune system. So, are you ready to level up your life and make fitness a daily habit? Buckle up, because in this video, I'm sharing my top tips for staying motivated, crushing your goals, and making fitness a part of your life that you actually enjoy. Let's be real for a second, yeah? We've all been there saying we'll squeeze in a workout sometime during the day, but let's be honest, life gets in the way. And that workout often ends up at the bottom of the to-do list. Sound familiar? That's why scheduling your workouts is non-negotiable, my friends. Treat your workouts like any other important appointment you wouldn't dare to miss. Like meeting your best mate for a pint or, that job interview. Mark it down in your calendar, set a reminder on your phone, and tell the world, or at least your pet goldfish, that you're booked and busy. No more excuses about not having time. You can find 30 minutes in your day, even if it means waking up a bit earlier or using your lunch break to sneak in a quick height session. Remember, consistency is key. And listen, don't be afraid to get specific. Instead of just writing down workout, be clear about what you're going to do. Leg day at the gym or 30-minute yoga flow in the living room, you get the idea. This way, you're mentally prepared and less likely to skip out when the time comes. So grab your diaries, people, and let's get those workouts scheduled. Let's face it, forcing yourself to do a workout you absolutely loathe is a recipe for disaster. It's like trying to eat your least favorite vegetable. You might choke it down, but you're not going to enjoy the experience. The key to sticking with fitness is finding activities you genuinely enjoy. Think of it like this. Exercise shouldn't feel like a chore. It should feel like a celebration of what your body can do. So, explore your options and experiment with different activities until you find something that lights your fire. Maybe you love the rush of a good run, the camaraderie of a group fitness class, or the zen-like focus of yoga. Don't be afraid to think outside the box either. Have you ever tried a dance class, rock climbing, trampoline park? The possibilities are endless. The important thing is to find something that gets you moving, makes you sweat, and leaves you feeling energized and accomplished, not dreading the next workout. Let's get one thing straight. Setting unrealistic goals is like setting yourself up for a fall. It's like trying to climb Mount Everest on your first day of hiking. Not gonna happen, mate. Start by setting small, achievable goals that you can gradually build on. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a killer physique or an ironclad fitness routine. Instead of aiming to lose 10 pounds in a week, which, let's be honest, is neither healthy nor sustainable, why not focus on losing 1 to 2 pounds a week? Or if you're new to exercise, start by aiming for 3 workouts a week, and gradually increase the frequency and intensity as you get fitter. The key is to set yourself up for success and celebrate those small wins along the way. Each goal you achieve, no matter how small, will fuel your motivation and keep you moving forward on your fitness journey. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint, and slow and steady wins the race. Imagine trying to build a house without a blueprint. Chaos, right? Well, approaching your workouts without a plan is pretty much the same thing. A well-structured workout plan is your roadmap to success, ensuring you're working all the major muscle groups, hitting your fitness goals, and avoiding those dreaded plateaus. Start by choosing activities you enjoy, remember chapter 2? And then create a balanced schedule that includes cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. For instance, you could aim for 3 days of strength training, 2 days of cardio, and 2 days of rest or active recovery. And don't forget to switch things up. Variety is the spice of life, and it's also essential for keeping your body guessing and preventing boredom. So get that workout blueprint sorted, and you'll be well on your way to smashing those fitness goals. Let's be real, seeing how far you've come is seriously motivating, right? That's why tracking your progress is like giving yourself a high five every step of the way. It's not about obsessing over numbers, but about acknowledging your hard work and celebrating your achievements. Whether you prefer a good old-fashioned notebook, a fancy fitness app, or even just jotting down notes on your phone, find a tracking method that works for you and stick with it. Keep track of everything. The number of reps, the weight you lift, the distance you run, how long you hold that plank, every little bit counts. Looking back on how far you've come is incredibly motivating and will give you that extra push to keep going when the going gets tough. Trust me, seeing those numbers improve or simply acknowledging your consistency will make you feel like an absolute champion. We've all been there. That initial burst of motivation starts to dwindle, and suddenly, that cozy couch is looking way more appealing than a workout. But fear not, my friends, because staying motivated is a skill you can master. First things first, find your why. Why is fitness important to you? Is it to improve your health, boost your confidence, keep up with your kids, or simply feel amazing in your own skin? Whatever your reason, write it down and keep it somewhere visible to remind yourself why you started this journey in the first place. Next up, find a workout buddy who'll hold you accountable and make exercise more fun. Having someone to share the sweat, the laughs, and the occasional groan makes a world of difference. And don't forget to reward yourself along the way. Set small milestones and treat yourself when you achieve them. A new workout outfit, a massage, a night out with friends, whatever floats your boat. Remember, motivation can ebb and flow, but by having strategies in place, you can ride those waves and stay committed to your fitness goals. Doing the same workout day in and day out is like listening to the same song on repeat. It's going to get old, fast. Not only does variety prevent boredom, but it also challenges your body in new ways, helps you break through plateaus, and reduces the risk of overuse injuries. So, ditch the monotony and inject some fun into your routine. Experiment with different types of cardio like high-intensity interval training, dance fitness, swimming, or cycling. Try new strength training exercises. Switch up the order of your workouts or challenge yourself with different weights and reps. You can even try incorporating outdoor workouts into your routine. Think hiking, trail running, or even just a brisk walk in the park. The key is to keep your body guessing and your mind engaged. Remember, fitness should be fun, so don't be afraid to get creative and try new things. Listen up, because this is crucial. Rest and recovery are just as important as the workouts themselves. Pushing your body to the limit without giving it time to repair and rebuild is like driving a car without ever stopping for fuel. Eventually, you're going to break down. Make sure you're getting enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality shut-eye each night, and listen to your body when it needs a break. Incorporate rest days into your weekly schedule, and don't be afraid to take an extra day off if you're feeling sore, tired, or run down. Active recovery like gentle yoga, stretching, or a leisurely walk can also do wonders for your body by promoting blood flow, reducing muscle soreness, and aiding in recovery. Remember, rest days aren't a sign of weakness, they're an investment in your long-term fitness success. You can't out-train a bad diet. Think of your body as a high-performance machine. You wouldn't put low-quality fuel in a Ferrari, would you? The same goes for your body. You need to nourish it with the right nutrients to support your workouts, aid in recovery, and maximize your results. Focus on eating a balanced diet that's rich in whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and complex carbohydrates. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after your workouts. And don't be afraid to indulge in treats occasionally. Deprivation leads to disaster, and life's too short to cut out all the good stuff. Remember, food is fuel, so choose wisely and give your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. They say it takes a village to raise a child, but you know what? It also takes a supportive community to smash fitness goals. Surrounding yourself with like-minded people who share your passion for fitness can make all the difference. Join a gym, find a workout buddy, or connect with people online who share your fitness goals. Having a support system will keep you motivated, accountable, and inspired on your journey. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it, celebrate your successes together, and offer each other encouragement when things get tough. Remember, you're not in this alone. Together, you can achieve anything you set your minds to. So there you have it, team. We've covered everything from scheduling your workouts and finding activities you enjoy to setting realistic goals, tracking your progress, and seeking support. Remember, making fitness a daily habit is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs. Days when you're feeling super motivated, and days when you'd rather stay curled up on the couch. But the key is to keep showing up for yourself, even when you don't feel like it. Because consistency is the magic ingredient that transforms ordinary into extraordinary. Now I want to hear from you. What are your top tips for staying motivated and committed to your fitness goals? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to live healthier, happier lives. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future fitness videos. Until next time, team, keep moving and keep inspiring.